Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal mini vases. They're pretty versatile, so you could use them in any number of ways. So what you're going to need some of this clear crystal room divider. It's from Efavormart. You'll also need some of this clear diamond chain from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a couple of mini vases or mini candle holders. And so I have this fluted vase shape here. It's a little mini vase. And then I have a footed vase or candle holder. I also have one of these lidded candy dishes, which I may or may not be using. We'll see as we go along. But you will need 2 packs of these little glass round Tealight holders. If they do not have the round ones in stock, you can really use whatever shape you like. Same thing with these little mini vases. You can use whatever shape you would like to use. I will be using hot glue to assemble my projects, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I happen to use any additional items, I will also list them in the description box below for you guys as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these two mini vases turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Let me know in the comment section which of the two you like best. Do you like the little faceted mini vase, or do you like the taller one on the pedestal? Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.